best shepherd's pie recipe. It's incredibly delicious and super easy to make. You'll need lamb mince, potatoes, 1 celery stick, 1 carrot, 1 onion, beef stock, milk, water, salt, cracked black pepper, dried thyme, 1 beef stock cube, 2 garlic cloves, Worcestershire sauce, butter, flour, tomato paste, grated Parmesan, olive oil. Step 1. Heat oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add onion. Add garlic. Cook for 1 minute. Add carrot. Add celery. Cook for 3 minutes. Turn up the heat to high. Add beef. Cook, breaking it up as you go until brown. Add flour. Mix it thoroughly in. Add tomato paste. Add beef stock. Add water. Add beef stock cube. Add Worcestershire sauce. Add thyme. Add salt. Add pepper. Stir. Cover with lid. Cook for 30 minutes. Stir. Remove the meat. Transfer to a pie dish. Put aside to cool. Place down large saucepan on your cooktop. Add water. Bring to boil. Add potatoes. Cook potatoes in boiling water for 15 minutes. Drain, then return to pot on turned off stove. Add butter. Mash until butter has completely melted. Add milk. Add salt. Mash until smooth. Remove from cooktop. Spread mashed potatoes on the bottom. Ensure the mash is evenly distributed. Sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. Heat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake on for 25 minutes. Serve and enjoy.
This video is sponsored by HelloFresh. HelloFresh delivers fresh, quality produce from the farm to your front door in less than a week. Included with the fresh ingredients is foolproof step-by-step recipes that anyone can follow with ease. HelloFresh won't get in the way of a busy day. Save time with simple recipes and fresh, pre-portioned ingredients that cut out meal prep and long trips to the grocery store. This takes the stress out of preparing dinner. Everything you need is conveniently delivered right to your door. You'll save time, money, and stress. Go to HelloFresh.com and use code HowtoBasic16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. HowtoBasic uses HelloFresh and he absolutely loves it. He even puts his own spin on their recipes to make them his own. That's promo code HowtoBasic16 on HelloFresh.com for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. Thanks to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video.